you're gonna need to do, you're gonna log in with filter, and then your password is gonna be Big Ben 2022 exclamation. Now check that the B's are capitalized, right? And then I'm going to open Google Chrome. I already pre-logged into my Google Drive. You're just gonna use your credentials and make sure you have your files saved in your Google Drive. So in a second, it's gonna pop up. So once you are in your drive, you're gonna go to the folder that you have the things you wanna print. You're gonna select the thing. I am just gonna download this. Now I have already pre-downloaded, so we're not gonna do that. I'm just going to now go back over here in the files, and I'm gonna see my downloaded file right here. If you don't see it in quick access, you click downloads and then you will see it. Now I'm going to click twice to open. It's gonna open in Paint. Now, this is confusing, so listen up. You're going to have to file, print, and it's not gonna give you any options but to print. You're gonna click print. It's not actually gonna print just yet. You'll be able to change the size and the scale. So just say print, and another window will open. All right, so now this window is opening. This is the window where you're going to change the size. Now, pretend this is all your white paper. Now, I have to make this picture. If I want the biggest size that I want, I'm going to make it, drag the size to be centered. Do not go outside of the white, because then your image will not print. And then go in here, and I'm gonna make sure. Okay, now once you have it just the way you want to, you're gonna select File and Print. Another thing is gonna go, and then this is where you can select how many copies you need, if you need to change how many copies, and then you click OK. All right, and now you have your poster. Happy printing!